Registering and enrolling students on Avenue. Log into Avenue and click on My Courses. Each course card appears on the screen and displays three buttons. Enroll a new student in the course, View the class register, Go to course. Please note, unless you are enrolled in a course as the teacher or instructor non-editing, you will only see the Go to Course button. Student email addresses and passwords. Teachers should obtain their students' email addresses before registering them and enter each address carefully when setting up their accounts. This will help to ensure students receive the email with their login credentials. Avoid using capital letters in the email address when setting up accounts. If learners do not have an email account, they should create one. In the meantime, you can assign them a fake account. Use their first and last names with no spaces and use this domain, @fakemail.ca. We recommend that teachers record the email addresses and passwords for new accounts created with a fake email address or for any learners who may need extra help logging in. Click on the Enroll a new student in the course button. The Enroll Student panel opens. Enter the learner's email address to enroll them in the course. Click the Enroll button. Please note, the panel will check that the email is formatted correctly. That is, it's valid. Two things may happen next. If the email address already exists on avenue.ca, a message will appear stating that the learner has been enrolled in the course. This indicates that a student account already exists for this email, so creating a new account is not needed. In the other case, if the email address does not exist on avenue.ca, a new Enroll Student panel with a form will appear. Complete the form to create a student account. It requires the student's first name, last name. The city, time zone, and courseware level sections are optional. Complete these if you have the information. This can be updated later. There is an article about editing students' accounts on Avenue that explains how to do this. The courseware level or levels section is used in large multi-level courseware with access restrictions. The courseware level settings are also used to restrict access to the can-do statement questionnaires in the PBLA section in some courses. The password field is populated automatically. Click the Password Reload button to change the password. Click the Create Account button. If successful, the learner is enrolled in the course. An email containing the user's login credential is automatically sent to the student. The panel closes and returns the user to the My Courses page. Class Register page. All students will be listed on the Class Register page for the course. This can be accessed by clicking the View Class Register button in the course thumbnail as shown here.